Hi, my name is Christian Reyes and I'm a software expert, and I'm going to show you how to merge Excel and Word documents together. So, for example, I have I have a Word document right in front of me. You see this cute bunny. This is the document I started working on. So I have a table in Excel that I want to bring over into this Word document. So all I got to do, I'm going to copy, highlighted, so you can see again, highlighted all the cells, copy, back to Word, and right click, paste. As you can see, the table it does not have any of the lines from the cell, so I want to bring the exact cell spreadsheet that I had. I want it to be visible exactly the same way on my Word document. So right now it's as soon as you hit paste, this little button appears. These are your paste options, and as you can see, it's selected on the keep source formatting, which we don't want. We don't want the Word formatting to apply to these Excel cells. So we want to change it to match destination table style. And now you can see it looks exactly the way it did on the Excel spreadsheet. And we go back and you can continue typing as you normally were. And you can keep going and keep working on the Word document like you were just doing. And now the documents are successfully merged. So that is how you merge an Excel document with a Word document. My name is Christian Reyes. Thank you.